Welcome to the bakery. Oh, you're looking for cheech.
All right, so mac and cheese is coming out. Yes, I reach into ovens because I have no fucking soul. Yeah, mac and cheese is out. I don't want it to be crispy brown because once again, we are deep frying these egg rolls. These are egg rolls, y'all. So, got my egg roll sheets. They are vegan wraps. Why did I get vegan wraps when I'm filling them with a bunch of non-vegan shit? I couldn't find the regular wraps, so that's that. So we're gonna take the mash and put that in there like such. Turn it, so it's a nice little triangle facing towards you. You don't want to overfill it. It depends on how big you want it. Like if you want a big, dumbass fucking egg roll, by all means, make sure you flour your hands. Not over flour, but I like to just keep a little bit on my fingertips, Not over the mac, duh. So then I'm gonna take some mac and put it right on top. All that stringy goodness too. All that stringy gooey goodness comes right along with. All right. So then, my favorite part, because it's almost like if you like smoking weed, this is almost like rolling a blunt. You know, you want your ends to be nice and tucked in. I'm gonna keep eating the cheese because this shit is fire. All right. And you wanna just roll and tuck it. Roll and tuck that bad boy, you know. Fa-dow. And to close mine, I'm gonna use a little bit of honey on the end right there, just to close it. Some people like to egg white it or egg wash it. I don't need to do all that. All right, that's one egg roll. And I say do the layers however you want to do the layers. And like, I'm gonna do a couple. So y'all, you know, get a nice example. That combination. Uh-oh. This one might be a little big one. Bloopers. All right, so don't fill it that much. And flat out egg roll. So we're gonna take these, we're gonna go throw them in the fryer, see what happens. Get some TV magic on. We got the oil already nice and preheated. I don't know about throwing big brewski in there, but I'm gonna do it. I know it's gonna come apart, but I'm gonna do it. And make one more for the final. Close it up with a little bit of honey. And I'll tell y'all in a second what type of honey this is that I've done concocted up. All right, so like we were saying, and I already you know, put them in there and they already start frying up. So we don't gotta let them fry too long. These are egg rolls. Oh, instantly they started going. All right, you hear that sizzle and that pop. Starting to look like egg rolls, y'all. All right, they are done in the fryer. It's time to show y'all what these babies look like, you know? Look at that. Let's cut one of these joints open, you know? Let's cut that one open. Now, usually I have my chef knife, but we're gonna use this cool little. Hear that crunch. Ooh. You got the mac and cheese and the sweet potatoes in there. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Got the macaroni and the cheese and the sweet potatoes, but wait, I'm gonna elevate it a little bit, right? Remember I had this honey? I'm gonna move these out the way. Remember I had that honey? So we're gonna take this here honey, which is truffle honey. We're gonna drizzle it over it like that. A little drizz. Yep. And those right there, my guys, my people, my village, mac and cheese egg rolls, mac and cheese sweet potato egg rolls. Why does this honey not wanna, let me just use my OG bottle. Oh yeah. Mac and cheese sweet potato egg rolls with the truffle honey drizzle. Let's get into that. All right, y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Huzzah, Hazing. Y'all watch me do my thing. Make sure you guys like, subscribe. Whoa. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Bacon Hour is coming back, and we're gonna be a sketch show, baby. Yeah.